Hello guys, everyone, channel Gadget Pro. Alright, let's be real. Smartwatch is usually full into two camps. They either look good but black behind, or they are packed with features but kinda clunky. But the brand new Google Pixel Watch 4, it might just actually nail both. Today I'm breaking down the top reasons why this little guy might be the best smartwatch for you in 2025. And don't skip this video till then. If you like it, don't forget to like and subscribe. So let's go. First up, design and comfort. The Pixel Watch 4 keeps that smooth, circular look, think classy, not nerdy. Google simulate down even more, so it doesn't feel like a hockey punk on your wrist. Plus, new band options make it super customizable whether you are rocking in the gym or a meeting. Quick compare. Apple Watch is boxy and instantly recognizable, but the Pixel Watch feels more like a price of jewelry than a gadget. Next, AI about performance. This isn't just VRS, it's VRS with Google Gemini. AI backed right in. That means faster replies to text, smarter calendar suggestion, even AI generated workout summarize. Basically, it's like ChatGPT but on your wrist. Standard point, unlike Samsung's Galaxy Watch, which lens heavy on health, Google's pushing hard on AI smart. Third headline fitness, upgrade Google teamed up with Fitbit again, but this time added next gen heart rate accuracy, skin temperature sensor and better sleep tracking, student pulling on ladders, professional grinding to work. This watch will literally tell you whenever you're boring out. Fitbit's tracks are solid, but they can't do how the smartwatch stops this one's does. For the battery and charging, everyone complains about smartwatch battery life. Google listened to the Pixel Watch 4, then now last like it 2 days with max reviews. And when you do need to charge, it hits 50% in like 30 minutes. Standard. That's faster than the Apple Watch charging, and way better than the OG Pixel Watch, which did before dinner. And finally, ecosystem power. If you are referring to the Google World Pixel phone Pixel Buds, next smartphone, this watch is the glue. Unlock your phone, pay with your wrist, control your smart lights. It's seamless. Cool tapper. Apple Watch has that tight Apple ecosystem. This is Google's answer for Android users. So that the Pixel Watch 4 sleek design AI bring Fitbit health, better battery, and try to Google ecosystem. Now I have got to ask if you had to pick today. Would you go for Pixel Watch 4, Apple Watch Series 10 or Samsung Watch Ultra? Drop your picks in the comments. I will be reading everyone. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like, and if you want more gadget video updates, so subscribe and hit the bell icon for more gadget videos.